Change year in many day fields in Excel? So I've noticed in a worksheet I have many dates that are 4 years off, no doubt because of improper copy/paste from earlier question. Is there an easy way to convert a bunch of dates I select to a specific year, but keep the month and day the same? For example, I'd like to quickly convert these cells to. There are hundreds of these, so I'd rather not do it manually.
If the date cells are all in one column, here's a quick and dirty way. Assuming the dates are in A1 downwards, insert 2 columns to the right. In B1, put the formula equals date, year, A1-4 month, A1, day, A1. Copy this formula down the column to recalculate all the dates from column A. Now select and copy column B, the new dates, and use paste as values, paste values into column C. Now delete the original column and the one containing the formulas to leave the new fixed dates. If the original dates are not in neat columns, you may have to do a bit more work.
Highlight the column where the dates are, then under the Home tab, go to Find and AMP, select, then click Replace. Type 2014 under Find What, then type 2010 under Replace With. Click Replace All.
If you have a fixed year in mind, if you want to shave off a number of years, where A1 is the cell containing the date to convert.
On the Home tab, under Number, change the date to long date rather than short date. This allows you to go into Find and select and replace all the unwanted dates.
If the data is all collected in a column or row, you can take the data and subtract 1460, the amount of day in 4 years. Note, C3 is the highlighted cell.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.